Hey guys, welcome back. She's almost all cleaned out down here. A couple of odds in the end, so number one I'm not taking. This is all garbage, that's gotta go to the garbage. This stays, of course. Gotta take the brass off it. Those fans are garbage. This has to be cut off. I need that cord. We're gonna take the fan up yet. A couple of things here we can take up and process the shed. That's got to go on the next trip. Yeah, so you can see that pretty much everything's gone here. Just got to straighten up, and some garbage had to go and all that stuff. A couple of the buckets are already done. So this is all just pretty much garbage here. It's getting moved, gotten rid of. Got some Christmas lights I got to load up. The 5 propane tanks, they're drained. They're all bled and ready to go. It's about 7 o'clock in the evening. You guys coming down here in a bit. And we're going to take tops off them, clean them up to take in tomorrow's load. And the wife, she's been busy all day down here working in the shed. Where's where we're heading now? I put her on the, first she's doing the propane jets off the barbecues to get the brass and the aluminum separated. And now we're doing plugs. So it's like a little assembly line. So of course she does like we showed on camera, so I'm gonna make sure you don't see her. There we go. Putting the blinders on, guys. All right, so over here I'm taking the plugs, lots of them, putting in here real good. Taking in those pliers and taking the cutting part. I'll take this off first, get it out of the way. Then we go like this. Go like this. Why is that silver? Oh well, I guess that's just the way it is. So, I don't like those ones. Anyways, we're setting the plugs here. So I'm doing this part here now. She's doing it all today, but getting hard on her hands, of course. It would. So what I'm doing is I'm taking them out of here, and then I'm taking them over here like this, and she's cutting them off. To bring the, oops, separating the brass from the copper and put them in their buckets. So that's what she's up to over there. And it's working pretty good. I see if the young fella gets off the phone with his girlfriend and gets some work done tonight, we'll be all better. But you know that works, right? See, once you get going, get a rhythm going, they move along pretty quick. It adds up. You see, my bucket is just loaded with them. You got probably half them done already. The snap, and it over. There you go. That is hard in the hands, I'll tell you. And this is all shred, because there's still some copper and stuff down inside of it. So there's still metal in it. They can recover. They get it. So this is what we've been doing our day. That, load up the truck and trailer. Gosh dang it, that one was hard. So we're gonna hopefully have a good load for tomorrow. We still got some things to load up outside. They're leaving here at about 7:30 in the morning. Start getting things done. once you get a routine down, a rhythm down, it goes pretty quick. I always snap the ground off first. Get it out of the way. And you one side, and the other side. So, yeah, these are all still from the spring cleanup that I did back a month ago. Repetitious, but I keep hitting that bloody bowl. Sorry, guys. I feel like it's a dinner bell going off, and we just ate. So this is what our eating is going to consist of for a little bit. Here we go. So I'm going to take a break here and go outside. Oh my goodness. Might as well throw these two sinks on while I'm out here. 2 clean stainless steel sinks to go. On that side. On that side. That's gonna go up on the load. And our propane tanks. So we'll bring it back when we start taking the tops off the propane tanks, guys. I'm gonna sit down and have a break. My hands are killing me. Yeah. We'll see you in a couple. Hey, now we're playing with propane fun. Oh my goodness. Alright, so we got a ratchet strapped around the pole. I'm holding pressure against this. And he's gonna pull that way. Yeah. That one was a little bit easier.
No, it wasn't.
That's what she said. Now, keep that in there for now. He got smart, he just cuts the weld with bolt cutters. And this will give him a lot more room to, there we go. Just cut the one side is heated because you might have to use pressure on this side again. Depending on how tight or loose this sucker is here. So I'm gonna need some pressure against it. There we go. Now you take off both sides. It took him a while to figure this one out, but he figured this one out on his own. Us old guys don't think well.
I can't teach an old dog new tricks.
Yeah, I'm too old to do tricks. Nobody will pay me. That's what she said. He's like lightning. He never hits the same place twice. Now see, if I wasn't filming, that would be done right now. There, give her head. Head's down far enough. Don't snip that hole because I need some place to fasten them on.
Oh.
So don't snip that.
I'm snipping down here.
We put them on the low, get on there, strap through one of the holes to hold them on. Or they're gonna fall off the truck. No, don't take that off. Never mind, give it to me. I'll throw it in the shred bucket. So our yard does take these to shred, and all it's required is to take the tops off. So they'll be vented out. So I got a good load on her. See what she's gonna weigh and pay tomorrow morning. Somebody that waved. Eh. Bang!
Yeah, it sounds more like this.
Yeah. Well, this one doesn't have a dingle on it, as we're calling them. And what's a dingle, you ask? I'll show you.
What's a dingle, you'll ask? I'll find out when you're older.
So, this one here can be fairly easy to clean up. So all you do is take that thing out of there and take this cast aluminum piece off. Now this other type here is a valve one. See that? This is pretty easy to come off. I can just do a little snip there and it'll come right off. And then of course, this cast aluminum handle has to come off. And that'll be clean brass, guys. We have 3 more of them to do. All right. Oh, sorry for another short video, but hey, you got to see the production line. And I'll clean the yards getting down there. He's down grabbing 2 more tanks. And I gotta have a little break here, and I gotta get back at her again myself. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow for the weighed and paid. We'll show you what we got going in there and whatnot, and we'll see you in the morning. Y'all take care. Thanks for being here, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, all that nice stuff, and God bless.